In this video, you will learn how to find recipes that you need in Meal Garden. To open the main recipe screen, use left side main navigation panel and click on the recipes icon. At the top of the screen, you will see Search and Filtering panel. Meal Garden Recipes database is created and grown by nutrition professionals that share their recipes. The source selectors within Refine Your Search section allow you to specify which subset of recipes you wish to use. The Meal Garden recipes will show recipes curated by Meal Garden team of dietitians. The favorites will bring up all the recipes that you have favorited. The created will display those recipes that you have created, including those that you have copied from somebody else's recipes. The Metabolic Balance recipes will show all the recipes created and shared by members of Metabolic Balance community. And the public will show all the recipes that members of Meal Garden community have marked as public, but were not checked by Meal Garden dietitians. The fastest way to search for recipes within the source that you have selected is to simply type a search term in the input control at the top. You can quickly clear the search term by clicking on the rounded cross button. There are more detailed search options on the filters row. Meal types, time, and number of ingredients allow you to quickly filter recipes based on type of the meal and simplicity. Just click on the filter, pick the options, and hit Apply. Selected filters will appear below the main filtering panel, and you can quickly get rid of the ones that you do not want anymore by clicking on a cross icon. The Dietary Tags filter allows you to find recipes by a variety of tags. If you know which tags you need, you can use Search Tags function to quickly find and select them. Just type what you wish to search for and hit Enter. If you are not sure how the tag is called, you can use tabs to navigate to it by tag category. It is worth noting that avoidances and diets contain tags that are automatically calculated for each recipe based on recipe ingredients. Collections filter will restrict only to recipes that were included in selected recipe collection. Ingredients filter is an advanced way to search within recipes by keywords. If you want to find recipes that contain certain ingredients, click on the Include input and type them in. Hit Enter after typing each term, so the terms are nicely separated. If you want recipes to contain all ingredients that you specified, make sure that you selected AND separator by clicking on AND/OR selector. If you want your recipes to contain either of the ingredients, select OR. If you do not want recipes containing certain ingredients, use the Exclude input. Then click Apply, and the recipes will be filtered. Another useful feature for Metabolic Balance members is ability to quick select. In the pop-up, you will see foods grouped according to Metabolic Balance food groups. Click on the ones you want and hit Apply. If you have a list of search terms that you received electronically, you can easily copy and paste it here. Just copy text into clipboard and use Paste from Clipboard icon to bring it into the terms input. If the parser split terms erroneously, simply drag and drop the terms using 4 arrows icon on the term itself. And at last, Nutrients filter allows you to select recipes based on their nutrient content. In this example, we will find recipes with at least 20 grams of protein. Once the recipes are shown, you can use the 3 dots button to quickly view recipe details. To see nutritional details of a recipe, where you'll see amounts for each nutrients, along with contributing ingredients. Add the recipe to your favorites, or click on the recipe for more detailed recipe view. To get back to the search, click on the Back button at the bottom left side of the screen. If you have any questions, you can always contact Meal Garden team by clicking on Help button at the right bottom corner. Enjoy!